I'm Simon Westland of Blackmagic Design and welcome to our booth at NAB 2016. We're going to run through some of the new Blackmagic Design product announcements, including the Video Assist 4K, a brand new operating system for the Ursa mini camera, and we're also going to look at the Ursa Mini Studio Viewfinder and DaVinci Resolve 12.5. At NAB last year we introduced a new Video Assist product, and that was an HD model which allowed you to have a ProRes or DNx HD recording to an external device. Now of course these are really popular because it allows you to take an HDMI or an SDI feed into the device and get off-board recording when you're using things like a Canon or a Sony or a Panasonic DSLR camera. At NAB 2016 we have a brand new model of the Video Assist product, and that's the Video Assist 4K. Major differences on this particular product is that it now features a 7-inch touchscreen LCD, so it's a couple of inches larger than the HD model, and this is a 4K recorder. Because it's a 4K recorder, we have UHS 2 SD card slots, and there's 2 of those, so you can get continuous recording onto the unit. Many of the features of course are the same, so it has a headphone socket on there, power buttons also on this side, it's got LANC control as well. You'll see there's HDMI in and out. On this particular unit, we've got the full-size BNCs. On the smaller unit, they were a mini BNC. And we've also included the balanced XLR audio connectors on this. Now they're a mini XLR, but we provide a fly lead which allows you to take a full-size XLR cable to connect to that. It's got the 2 Canon E6 batteries on the back, so you can continuously power the unit, and the whole thing is really only a little bit larger than that 7-inch screen, so you can get professional quality recording from any camera. So that's the Video Assist 4K. It's available to buy now, and it's $895. At NAB 2016, we're showing a brand new operating system for the Blackmagic Ursa mini camera. And this really is such a huge improvement in the way that you'll use the camera. It's not just a redesigned user interface, but it's a completely new method of working with Ursa Mini. One of the things that you can now do with this is get access to the really important controls directly from the screen itself. So rather than going through multiple levels of menus, you can now access things like frame rates, you can access ISO, white balance, all through the camera's data information on that screen, and you simply press it and you get that setting in front of you to make that change. It really is incredible as well in that we've made all of the menu structure more simple and intuitive. So really you don't need a manual in order to learn how to use this camera. You simply flick through the different menus and you have immediate access to your settings. So this is a really important new update to Ursa Mini. This is going to be available in the summer of this year and really does transform the way that people will use this camera. We've also announced the new DaVinci Resolve 12.5. Now this is really more than just a dot release in that there's 1,000 improvements to DaVinci Resolve 12.5, as well as 250 new features. I'm not going to list them all for you, but some of those include things like ripple overwrite, which allows you to now insert a clip into your edit timeline and it will move everything down the timeline for you. We can also do a ripple cut, which of course will do the reverse. But within Resolve 12.5 there's things like incredible HDR support, which is becoming more and more important for users. We've got a whole bunch of new edits and UI changes within the application. We've got Resolve effects built in, so that it comes now with some built-in effects, as well as a single point tracker, which is great for use of those effects. We've got improvements in audio so that you can deliver all the different audio channels that may be within your project. In fact, the whole delivery page of Resolve is completely new. We've got the ability to group a series of nodes and compound those so that you can tidy up your workspace. There's a whole range of new features, lens distortion. I could go on, it's almost a limitless amount of new features within DaVinci Resolve. The greatest news for you as a user of DaVinci Resolve is you can download DaVinci Resolve 12.5 today and start to use the great benefits of this new application.